With the button up on the end of the connector, simply slide that in and you'll see device loading and then ready. The Voyant Vessel Sealer from Applied Medical is fantastic technology. It coagulates and cuts vessels up to 7 millimeters in diameter. You have multiple instruments to choose from. This is the fine fusion. It is a smaller jawed, curved tipped instrument. As you clamp down on the tissue, you'll activate a button here, which will send a signal from the handle to the generator, coagulating the tissue. Once the generator has told you that the tissue has been coagulated with a high-toned beep, you'll slide a blade to transect the tissue. This instrument is perfect for a leg amputation, a spay, a neuter, a dew claw, a mammary mass removal, or many other common applications. The open fusion is a much larger jawed instrument that gets larger bites, perfect for a splenectomy, a pyometra resection, a mammary chain mass removal, a large mass removal, along with a big dog neuter or a pyometra resection. Same premise, clamp the jaws. They'll stay clamped on the tissue. Press and hold a button on the back with your thumb, and then slide the blade to transect the tissue, open the jaws, and go get another bite. The third instrument is more of a laparoscopic instrument, comes in a variety of different shaft lengths and with some different tips. This is a Maryland design tip with a curve. Clamp the handle on the tissue, press and hold the button on the back, letting it coagulate the tissue, and then slide the blade with your trigger finger to transect the tissue, and then open the jaws to get the next bite. The shaft will rotate around so you can get easy access to the tissue if you're doing it laparoscopically. Very easy to use technology and very beneficial. At the end of the procedure, we suggest that the doctor take a gauze from their back table and simply wipe out the jaws of the instrument so that that blood or debris does not get dried and stick into the jaws, in that it might be a few hours before the staff has an opportunity to clean it. So just simply a little bit of a gauze, cleaning that, and then sliding the blade will help to preserve the life of your instrument. When cleaning your Voyant Vessel Sealer handles, we suggest using an enzymatic cleaner similar to the T-Zyme sponges that we sent with your system, and then utilize the paint tray to be able to put the instrument tips into the cleaning solution, but leave the instrument handles out of the solution. Definitely do not want to get the plug that plugs into the generator wet or immersed. Once you've got the instrument tip in the solution for 10 or 15 minutes, simply use a scrub brush to clean out the tips, close the jaws, slide the blade a few times to get any tissue that might have dried up into the jaws out of the jaws, and then you can just wipe down the shaft and the handle. We don't suggest immersing the handles because we don't want them to get filled up with your cleaning solution or any water.